In this video, I'll go over how to unlock Premier in Counter-Strike 2. Step 1 is to get the Prime status. So you need to purchase Prime status through Steam, which will cost around $14.99. Prime status is required for Premier mode and ensures fair matchmaking. Step 2 is to reach profile level 10. So you can earn XP by playing any game mode like casual, deathmatch or arms race. Winning matches gives more XP, but losses still count. Once you reach level 10, Premier mode becomes available. So step 3, complete 10 placement matches. These matches determine your initial CS rating or skill level, and wins help your rating start higher, but losses do not block access. Now some final tips. Focus on XP heavy modes like deathmatch or casual to level up faster, and ensure your Prime status is activated in your account settings, and if Premier mode is still locked after meeting requirements, double check your level and Prime status. So now you know how to unlock Prime status in Counter-Strike 2. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.